Students, hope you are doing good. Now, exercise 3, stage 1. Question number 1. What is the mathematical expression for change in velocity? We all know if we want to find change in velocity, we should separate initial velocity from final velocity, right? And here they have given if u and v are initial and final velocities. So what is the answer? Good. Del v, that means change in velocity, is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Then the SI unit of change in velocity, we all know the velocity unit is meter per second. So the SI unit is meter per second. Then CGS system. In CGS system, C represents centimeter and S represents second. So in CGS system, the unit of change in velocity is centimeter per second. Good. Velocity of a particle changes when what will come? Very good. Its magnitude is changed. The velocity of a particle changes when its direction is changed. Good. Because we all know velocity is a vector quantity, right? So it has both direction as well as magnitude. Then change in velocity is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Superb. Now, change in velocity is positive. We all know change in velocity is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Now imagine if both are same means what about change in velocity? 0. Good. Suppose if final velocity is greater than initial velocity means what is the value? Will it come in positive or negative? Good. Positive. Suppose if the final velocity is less than the initial velocity, the change in velocity will be in negative. Good. See the next question. Change in velocity is positive when its initial velocity is less than final velocity. Otherwise, the final velocity must be greater than initial velocity. So here what is the option? Both 2 and 3. Have you all understood, my dears? Change in velocity is negative if it's just now I said. When do we have change in velocity in negative? When its final velocity is less than initial velocity. Otherwise, if the initial velocity is greater than final velocity. Okay. I hope the remaining sums you can do. It will be easy. Ninth one. Change in velocity is 0 if it's good. Initial velocity and final velocity are equal. Then identify the correct relation. We all know del V, that is change in velocity is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity. Then here they have given V. So V, if you want to find V, from this expression V is equal to del V plus U. But see here what is given. So this is totally wrong. Now see the next one. V is equal to del V plus U. Otherwise U plus del V. So here what is the correct option? Number 2. Then initial velocity of a person is 10 meter per second and final velocity is 20 meter per second. Then the change in velocity is, we all know we have to subtract this initial velocity from final velocity. So when we subtract this 10 from 20, we get the answer 10. Good.